Hello, my name is Liam Caldwell and I own Armstrong Carpet and Linoleum Company in San Francisco, California. We're licensed flooring contractors and window covering installers. We provide carpet, area rugs, hardwood, linoleum, vinyl, cork, rubber floors, and pretty much any flooring issue you have, come see me. We do hardwood refinishing as well, and any window covering you can think of. Blinds, drapes, and a lot of motorization and hand control these days. Armstrong has been installing flooring since 1946 in San Francisco. So if we've been around that long, we're doing something right. We're a small family-owned business, so we offer a lot of flexibility to our customers. We're able to do many custom features that other shops cannot do, and we have continuity of installation and sales teams that allows for expert installations and knowledge of product. So I have a high standard of quality. There's an adage in here, there's only one way to do things, and that's the right way. So I ensure that all of my jobs meet the standards that I will set forth in the estimation process, and all of my installers know exactly what we expect for an Armstrong installation. What brings me the most joy from owning a floor covering store is having great employees and people to work with, knowing that we're all taking care of our families, and also just doing a good job. My favorite thing is to get a call from a customer telling me how great the guys are, and we get them daily. Flooring and window coverings are best selected in person by touching and feeling them. Come on down to beautiful West Portal and stop into Armstrong's wonderfully curated flooring showroom and let us help you find the perfect floor.